I'm Sophia and today I'm going to speak in the favor of motion. The topic is holidays should be given or not. So let's talk about it. First of all, I want to tell you about Indian education system. We all know very well that on the NEP there is an argument for years, but there is no there any action didn't take place. Okay, so I want to tell that in our schools we are not getting any kind of vocational education or vocational course. We are not learning from our schools. In holidays, we get the opportunity to learn vocational course because we have seen the employment rate of India. The percentage of graduate people is 46.2% who are unemployed. And if I tell you about skill development, so I don't think there will be a better opportunity except holidays. We can develop our skills because in holidays we do not have pressure of study, and that time we get more free time in which we can develop our skills. We can give more time to our skills. That's it. Again, good morning to all of you. I'm Fabia and today we are doing debate here on a very amazing and incredible topic which is in the regard of holidays, that holidays should be given to the people or not. So in my perception it should not be given. So just I would like to give answer at first to her, as she is talking about vocational course. If we have holidays, so we can learn the vocational course. So sister, if you want to learn the vocational course, so why are you going to school? First you have to complete your study. After the 12th you have time to learn the vocational course. If you want to become a if you want to learn the makeup course, so you can learn after the 12th class. If you want to learn the boutique course, you can learn after the 12th. And vocational course is easy to learn, and in the school if our teacher is not teaching, if our teachers are not teaching us the vocational course, but it is happening just in your school. In our school it happens, teacher comes and they teaches us not the vocational course but other things they teach related to vocational. It is not like that. It is not happening in your school, so it is not happening anywhere. Second answer, we don't have pressure. Except pressure, which point do you have? All members. Pressure, anxiety, depression. One thing they all are mentioning: pressure, anxiety, depression. Pressure, anxiety, depression. Except it, they did not mention any different thing. And we have mentioned many things, just pressure. It means except pressure, they don't have anything. So as I would like to tell you, pressure is the main thing to get the success. Without pressure you cannot get success in your life. Until when you will not have pressure, you will not get success, because like you are getting holidays unlimited, so what will happen? You will take rest whole day, you will waste your time, you will use mobile phone. But when you will have pressure of study, you will not waste your time. You will think that how much time I am getting, so how much time I am getting, so I should utilize that. I should do work in 1 hour. I should complete my tuition work, school work. Like this you will manage your time. But when there will be a holiday, you will not focus on your study also, as she mentioned. Like we are free from the school's work, so we can learn vocational education. So this thing will happen when you will learn the vocational course in a holidays. Okay, speak. Okay, as she asked me that when you have to learn vocational course, then why are you going to schools? Then same question can you ask from a doctor? Then when you have to just do operation, then why are you reading books? You need
because
to go.
With the help of books he is learning.
Let me
Don't
speak.
you have sense?
So this sense I want to tell you that except education we cannot do anything. You know, there are the courses of engineers. Why do they need study? Do they need? Really they need, because they have to make better infrastructure for the country. Okay, and if I want to give you answer, as in her first turn she said about we are getting 106 holidays, we are wasting our time. Means you are wasting your time. Means everyone is not like you. Okay, and yeah, if I tell you about Singapore, Japan, Dubai and USA, United Kingdom, these are the most developed countries than India. But however, they give more holidays than India.
Then
Listen, you know, in India we get summer vacation just for 40 or 50 days. They give summer vacation 70 to 96 days.
is it less?
Is it more than India? This one I want to say.
Okay, so listen. Complete. Okay, listen now. As at first she mentioned about the doctors, like why they are learning books when they have to do the operation. Sister, when they will do operation, so first they need to learn Okay, that's why they are learning. Second thing, as she is saying that I can waste my 160 days. No one is like you. Okay, so listen to me. As you have wasted your 15 days while going to the village, so no one can waste like you. Okay, it's up to you. Like you are wasting, so no one can waste. You can utilize your time, but when there will not be a holiday. Second thing, I would like to give answer to Irtika, as she mentioned about the whole day homework. When we get the summer vacation, so we get the whole day homework also. So how we are removing, how we are breaking our consistency. So I would like to tell you how many people are, how many people, yeah, how many people do the whole day homework? How many students? Do you do?
Yeah.
Now you will say because you are in the favor. How can you say that you don't do? She doesn't do. I don't do. My brother don't do. She doesn't do. In my team member, in my team, no one does. Please keep. Now I'm not asking to you. Okay. Second answer, Afsha. When our government is giving us holidays, so what's your problem? That is the problem. Our government is not focusing on the infrastructure of India, on the education system of India. So what our government is doing again and again, just they are giving us holiday. If there is Diwali, take the 10 days holiday. If there is Dashera, take 10 days holidays. If there is Holi, take 5 days holiday. Take 1 week holiday. Like this our government, like this our India can develop. Tell me. And you are saying to me that for development education system of India, I did not mention for the development of education system of India. I said for the development. I said the development of India. We need the holidays, but in less numbers. As Safia told me the country's name, like 96 holidays they are given. Summer vacation, winter vacation, 96 holidays. So I would like to tell you, South Korea, United States, Germany, France. Did you listen when last time I spoke these names? These are the developed country. They are also holiday. They are also providing holiday, but in a less numbers. Like this, they are developed country. Okay.
Well, just only Indian students will develop their country. There is no role of doctor.
I'm
there is
not
no
talking
role of
about just
government,
that
right?
students.
Let me speak first. If I wanna give you answer to Miss Rukaiya, as she told about consistency. She said we become indolent. Means according to you, consistency comes by going to school. According to you, right? But I don't think, because somewhere it's a compulsory to go for the result, for the attendance, for the exam. We are going in compulsion in school. That is not consistency, or that is not discipline. Discipline or consistency is that which we make by ourselves without pressure. Okay. And Ishan was also saying, what did he say? He said that we do not complete our homework. Even we learn how to pretend. He said, Ishan said that we do not complete our homework in holidays. Even we learn how to pretend. Means, don't you know how to pretend? If you are not doing work, then here I want to say you same line which you say. Always you say. You didn't say. You always say that's your fault, or it's up to you. You have to complete your homework, or you do not have to complete your homework, because the mentality of every student is different, and every student is different from everyone.
Sarji, please. So I have the answer. Please listen my answer at first, Sarji, please. At first, I would like to give answer to you, as she mentioned that we are going to school in a compulsion. It means for the study we are not going, for the compulsion we are going. Second answer for the Aksha, she was